All right, guys, so who has had trouble taking off the seats? I'm going to show you how to take off the seats, but I'm going to show you how the seats work, which should remove any sort of question of like, nah, you're wiggling this key all the time and you're yanking on it and it's super hard. So with that being said, I want to turn the key to the front of the bike to pull the front seat off. It'll unlatch it. I'll show you how that latch works. You just pull it up, lay it to the side. It's got a cable on it because it's a heated seat. Now we're going to turn the key to the rear or the back of the bike and pull the front out. I needed to pull it a little bit forward and up, and I'll show you why. So let's look at these levers a little bit up close. So the front should be pretty straightforward. When I turn the key this way, that's what releases the seat, right? Pretty standard, pretty easy. Now this latch is for the rear seat. Now when I turn the key towards the back of the bike, this is what happens. And that is connected to this piece, get that cable out of the way, this piece right here, right? So you see that little shelf, I guess, on the bottom? That's what this latches onto. So when you turn the key to the rear of the bike, it gives you the ability to pull the seat forward and up. And that is how the seats work. Reinstalling, super easy. Taken out, now you know. Guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe. See you in the next one.